Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. This is Hedaetullah with another new video. In our previous video, I have just shown you that how we'll import a file from Etabs to CSS Safe, and that is our slab from a real project model. So actually we have imported that slab in our previous lecture. This is our slab, and we have imported that in our previous lecture in CSS Safe. Now we'll just design that. Okay, we'll design that here, and I will show that how we'll design it. And if you're new to our channel, then also you can watch that video I have already uploaded, and also that full playlist are given in description. And also if you are a civil engineer, then subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you get every update ever first. Now actually as we have exported that file perfectly from our Etabs, and we have designed our model in Etabs also, that's why it's okay now. And we'll just check that its load is okay or not. Simply click here, right click, otherwise just take your mouse here and right click, then see here is the geometry shape from here. And also to know the value from slab, just simply select a slab by left click here, select, then right click. Now see here, this is the slab value. This is the slab thickness 5.5. okay, here everything is available. Then geometry, this is the slab geometry. Then load, okay, here is the 25 gravity load, and 100 is the live load. Okay, and design, okay, for design this is design this slab, yes, ignore PT for design, no. Then river materials, so from here we'll select actually our river materials. We can select from here actually what you want according to requirement. Okay, so I'll just cancel that, then cancel. And this is the actual river materials. Then slab cover source, okay, slab cover sources. So from here this is the slab cover sources, and from the preferences, actually if you take that value, it will give you the value from your Etabs. Otherwise you can also specify that what will be the clear cover of your data. Okay, what will be the clear cover of your data. So I'll just cancel that. I will do not change anything here. Okay, so cancel. Okay, so it's right. And also if we go here, materials properties, just see here, this is the value. Actually you can change that according to requirement. What will be the materials property for your slab also. Okay, so simply for that, just simply you have to select here, select, then properties, then slab properties. Okay, this is slab 5.5. then okay, so we have selected all slab. Now we have to go assign, okay, slab data, then properties. So from here, this is 5.5. will do not, you can just go here, modify the property, and this is okay actually. Okay, and slab materials, and from here you can select your slab materials. Now we'll just go for modify that value. Okay, so from here actually we have to go define, then materials. What will be the materials? Actually I'll just modify that 40 psi, modify. And from here actually you have to give your materials name here. Then you have to give here your specific compressive strength, 28 days compressive strength. Then from here you have to select concrete, and from and here, just here you have to give the value of modulus of elasticity. I'm not going to change anything. Actually already have discussed in our previous video that how we'll change that, and how we'll define that. That's why I'm not going to change that. I'll cancel here. Then I'll just simply use 40 psi concrete. Okay, so for that, after when it will select that, after we have to go assign, then slab data, then properties. After that we have to come here. This is 5.5. It's done. This is 5.5 slab. Now we will again click here pre-select. So from pre-select, assign slab data, then property modifier. So we'll do not do anything here actually. So again click here PS pre-select, then assign. So from here it's done actually. We don't need to change anything now. So close. After that, as we have done everything, and after selecting here, just we will go here design, and from here run, and before run we'll go here automatic slab mesh option. So we have to mesh that. Simply click here 4. Okay, we have to click give here the value 4, or we can give 2 feet for mesh, then press OK. So we have successfully meshed our slab. Okay, we have successfully meshed our slab. Now we'll go for design. Simply to go design, and before design also you can change your design preferences by clicking here. Actually this is our slab clear cover and preferred bar size. What will be the preferred bar size? I will just give bar size 3. Okay, number 3 bar. And in inner slab river layer, so AV, that's not fact actually. So it's 2A slab. After that we'll go here cover for beam, so 1.5 1.5, and preferred beam river size for flexural. For all I will give 4. Okay, for all I will give 4. Okay, it's done. Then press OK. After that again go design, then design combo. What will be the design combo? Okay, it's done. Okay, so it's done actually. Okay, also you can select that. When it's not selected, then suppose it's like that, then you have to just simply select both of it, then add. Okay, then okay, it's done. So we have done everything. Now we'll just simply click here and we'll design our slab. Simply click here, and we have to save that model. So I will save that model here. I'll give design, I'll make a design, then I'll click here, and here I'll save here. Save design, then save. So wait for some time and it will complete its analysis and design. So see here is our analysis. Okay, here is the analysis, and just see here it's showing the deflection 0.009. okay, here it's showing deflection 0.01. here at middle point it's 0.01, and our maximum deflection it's showing 0.0092, and a minimum 0.07. okay, minus 0.07. so our deflection is 0.07. so you have to check according to country that it is okay or not. And also I'm designing that slab as per I mean according to IS code, sorry, ACI code. So here you're also showing the data here actually. Okay, so where is the value actually? It's showing here. Now I'll just make it here, and I will go here display. Okay, then from here show different shape. Okay, we have already shown that. Then show the slab force and stresses. So from here you can see that. Okay, apply, and you can select what you required here actually. This is the resistant force, and this is the component for F on. Then stress to face, top face. This is the stress to top face, and this is the stress to bottom face. So just you can watch here what is the how much stress are working. So they have some value, component value. So I'll just close that, and now I'll go for, again I will go display. So from here display, actually I have shown everything about that, how we'll find out that value, and also how I'll find out its detailing in my previous video, so you can watch that. But here I am shortly just I'm showing you that we have to go here, show slab design, simply click here, and from here you have to select, okay, strip base. I'm extremely sorry, I have done a mistake here. I'll just unlock it, okay, and just I have to do a single work. So edit, add or edit design strip. If we do not modify here, I mean provide here design strip, then so here just select include middle strip, then it will be okay. Then from here X and A and auto, actually I have shown you in previous, that's why I'm not going to in details. Then okay, so here you are saying that it's have defined its strip. After that again we'll go here, edit design, add design strip, then I'll change the direction Y direction and strip B, okay, then it will be auto, then okay. So now we'll go for design. Now we'll go here, display, then show slab design. So from here just see here now that's layer are available. If we do not provide strip, then this layer will be not available here. Now here it's strip based design. So first of all we'll say layer A, and it's fill diagram, okay, otherwise it's show value at controlling section on diagram, then show top river and bottom river also, and from here show river intensity, area per unit width, okay. So and it's show a river above a specific value, it's done, scale factor 1, then apply. Now just see here, it's showing us the reinforcement requirement, where how much reinforcement are requirement, it's showing us here. Now here is the value actually, and this is for direction X and layer A, and for layer V again apply. So this is for layer B, it's showing the reinforcement, how much reinforcement requirement in top and bottom also. Here it's showing us the reinforcement. This is for middle strip, okay, and this is for our column strip. So it's showing the requirement of reinforcement, okay, it's showing us. And also this is the bar sign, where we have to provide the bar in bottom and top actually. Also you can this is the layer base, and also you can, and also they have option impose minimum reinforcing. We'll always use that option, impose minimum reinforcing, because this is according to design that how much reinforcement, minimum reinforcement we can use in slab. So it will show you that impose minimum reinforcing, apply. So just see here, it's now showing us the reinforcement, okay. So it's showing the reinforcement where we record how much, and from that value you can make your detailing manually, okay. And actually the printable detailing, it's not good for Etabs. So I think I'll just suggest you that use printable detailing from AutoCAD manually, and it will be very better for you. So and also if you want to go for finite element base design, so this is the direction 1, the top river, okay, and impose minimum reinforcing bar, okay, then apply. Just see here, it's showing us where the reinforcement requirement, this is for top river. Just see that in that point they have no reinforcement requirement actually, and here we have required some reinforcement. Suppose here we record 0.1304 inches square per feet. I mean within 1 feet, if we provide only 210 mm bar, then it will be okay, or number 3 river, then it's okay. So like that way also you can design that. And this is for direction 1 for bottom bar, just see here, for bottom bar reinforcement will be required here, not here. So just see here it's showing us 0 reinforcement, and you know that here the positive moment occur, that's why here we require reinforcement in bottom, and for direction 2 here is the reinforcement. Okay, so in this way actually you can design that. And also if you want to go for detailing, simply click here and from here select what you want, then okay. After that wait for some time, it's working for our detailing. Now see here, this is the cross sectional layer, and go here and from here slab value, okay, and also include slab 1. So this is the rebar plan, this is the rebar plan. Actually I have told you that this detailing is not so good actually here, that's why you need to make a detailing manually. Okay, you need to make a detailing manually. So here's the section rebar for section 1, and this is for section 2. Okay, so this is for section 2, and for cantilever it's giving a reinforcement in top, not at bottom, and also will provide reinforcement in bottom, but it's very little. So I think it's clear to you that how we'll import a model from Etabs to CSS Safe, and also how we'll design that. So thank you, and also if you think that that's helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you get every update ever first, and like our video, share our video, and don't forget to leave a comment, because your own like and on comment inspires us for the next work. So thank you very much.